Stay to the end. I'll show you how we booked this without paying cash. This is where we ended the last video and where this stay started to make sense. This is the 2-bedroom boathouse at South Bank in Turks and Caicos, and it ended up being the space we used the most.
Babe, go yours. Hey.
What surprised me wasn't the design, it was the layout. You're not walking past rooms you don't use. Everything you need is right where you are. Mornings felt easy. Nobody felt crowded. And at the end of the day, it felt quiet, not empty. The bedrooms aren't flashy, they're comfortable, and that mattered more than I expected. If you're a couple or a small family and you want space without managing a house, yeah, this works. And that brings me back to the question from the beginning. We didn't book this stay by accident. We planned it around the room type that actually made sense for us. We didn't pay cash for this. We used Hilton points and focused on value, not just the size. If you want trips that feel intentional, from how they're booked to how they're lived, subscribe. We're just getting started.